going to show you how to fix the annoying drag and drop problem in Photoshop after, for example, updating your windows or just it randomly crapping out on you. Now, I know you guys don't have time, so I'll do this quickly. This is the problem. I'm trying to drag and drop my Sun Sunshine logo, but it's not working. I don't know why, but I do know how to fix it. So first of all, you go to Start, you type in regedit, and this works on every version of Windows. You press enter, so you have to have those little squares. You go to, you see here a few options. You open up the local machine. You go to software, Microsoft. So let's type the M to see where the M is, Microsoft. You open the Microsoft, you go to Windows, Windows. You open up that folder, current version, then policies, then system, and in the system you have to find the key enable LUA, so this one, oh sorry about that, double click on it and change the value from 1 to 0. Press OK and it will give you a message which is okay, so you have to restart and then it will work. Okay, so I've restarted my computer and I'm going to open the file now. So signature, well, I was busy on a signature and this is okay. There you go. And let's see if I can slide it in. Normally I should be able to slide it in. Let me select that and there you go, it works. And that's how it should work for you as well. It works on every version of Windows. I hope it helped and I hope it was fast enough. See you guys.